Hello friends, I am Tripti Singhal from our own career classes. In this video, we talk about the chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables, exercise 3.3, question 2. So what's that? We have given the two equations as this 2x plus 3y is equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equals to minus 24. Then they wish to find the value of m, another variable other than x and y, the value of m for y is equals to mx plus 3. mx plus 3. So we can solve these equations by any of method. That means in the chapter 3 we have three chapters: substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. So we can solve these two equations and we have our variables x and y by any of method. So let's try this method, elimination method, for solving these two equations, because in our previous video we solved the equation by the substitution method. So let's check out the elimination method. So by elimination method, so what to do in this method? As you can see in my previous video, the elimination method, in this method we have two equations. The constants are keep on right hand side in both the equations. So first we have to see which variable have the same coefficients. Which variable, that means either that x or y have the same coefficients. If yes, then check out now second point, check out the signs. If the same coefficients have the same sign, then reverse the sign, and if they have the different signs, that means one is a plus and one is a minus, then just add them. Or if they have the same sign, that means you have to subtract them. Okay, reverse the sign, that means you have to subtract them. But in this case we see that both the coefficients of the variable x are same. Okay, what about in case of the variables, the coefficients of the variables are not same? So for example, if we here see we can see here 3y and 4y. The coefficients of a variable y are not same, but they have the different signs. So we just add them. But first of all we have to convert, we have to make the coefficient of variable y same. So we can multiply a common number that makes the coefficients of a variable y same. So if we wish to find the value of variable y first by elimination method, so we can multiply here, just we can multiply 4 here, 4 by 4 into 3, that means 12y, and here 3, that means 3 into 4, 12y. So after that, that means equation 1, multiply the equation 1 by 4 and multiply the whole equation. Okay, I am talking about the whole equation by 3. So after that we can see that the coefficients of the variable y convert in the same coefficient, that means 12, and have a different sign. So we just add the equation 1 and 2 and we get our value of the required variable. But in this case we see that easily we have the 2x and 2x, that means the variable x have the same coefficient but not the sign, but not the and the same sign, that means we have to subtract them. How can we? Let's check out. So first of all we write 3x plus 3y is equals to 11, equation 1 as it is, and equation 2, 2x minus 4y is equals to minus 24. Now what I tell you, that is subtract this second equation, that means you can reverse the sign. So minus plus का हो जाएगा minus, minus that gets converted into plus, and here minus 24 we also consider this sign, minus 24 is converted into plus 24. Now let's check out. Now we only consider the below sign, that means this one sign, not we just forgot the above sign, that means this minus, minus and plus. We consider this sign and let's subtract. So 2x minus 2x, that is cut it out, okay, 0, that what we wish, and 3y plus 4y, 3y plus 4y, that makes it 7y, is equals to 11 plus 24, that would be 35, plus 35, okay, because we consider only this sign. So therefore we get y is equals to 35 by 7, it's a 5, y is equals to 5. Okay, so we have our value of a one variable, that is y is equals to 5. Now put the value of one variable, that is y here, y is equals to 5 in any of equation. You can put it in this equation 1 or you can put in equation 2. It is depends on you, whatever you choice it. So I choose from equation 1. So from equation 1, it's 2x plus 3y is equals to 11. It must be, it's in original form. So 2x plus 3y is equals to 11. Put y is equals to 5. Therefore, 2x plus 3 into 5 is equals to 11. Therefore, 2x is equals to 11 minus 15, that means minus 4. 11 minus 3 5s are 50. It goes here, minus 15, that means minus 4. And therefore, x is equals to minus 2. 4 2s are 2 2s are 4. So that is, we have minus 2. So we have here, we have our values of our two variables, both of variables x and y as minus 2 and 5. So this is the elimination method. In the whole process, we just eliminate, by its names suggest, eliminate the one variable by making the coefficients of a variable equal. Okay, again I repeat, in an elimination method, as its name suggests, eliminate the one variable by making its coefficient equal. If it's not, okay, agar equal nahi hai, तो then you have to make them equal by multiplying some common number, by multiplying a number, not common. Then find the value of m for y is equals to mx plus 3. Okay, so we have to find another variable m. We just put the values of y and x, what we find here in this equation, and we get the another variable other than y and x, m. So let's check. Y is equals to mx plus 3. We just put the values of y 5, m, x is minus 2 plus 3. Therefore 5 minus 3 is goes here. So 5 minus 3 is equals to 2 into m minus 2m. 5 minus 3 plus 2 is equals to minus 2m. Therefore m is equals to 2 divided by minus 2, that is minus 1. So we have, finally we have the value of the another variable m is equals to minus 1. So this is all about our question 2 and the elimination method.